Hey everyone! Looking for an OLED TV that won't break the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best OLED TVs you can buy in 2025. Perfect for stunning picture quality, vibrant colors, and immersive viewing experiences. From top-notch gaming performance to cinematic movie nights, we've got an OLED TV for every need and budget. And trust me, our number one pick is a game changer you won't want to miss. All the links to these amazing TVs are in the description below. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Hisense 100-inch Class U8 series Mini-LED 4K UHD Smart TV, a massive display with exceptional picture quality. This 100-inch TV features Mini-LED ULED technology for brilliant contrast, sharp details, and vibrant colors. The 480 motion rate and 144 Hz Game Mode Pro make it a solid choice for gamers, delivering smooth motion and responsiveness. With Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10, you'll get an enhanced viewing experience with vivid colors and lifelike visuals, whether you're watching movies or gaming. The 2.1.2 multi-channel audio delivers immersive sound, while HDMI 2.1 ensures you're future-ready with support for high-bandwidth devices. Plus, with Alexa compatibility and Google Smart TV features, you can control your TV with ease and stream your favorite content effortlessly. For a massive screen size and top-tier features at this price point, the Hisense U8 is hard to beat. At number 4, we have the Panasonic Z95 series 65-inch OLED 4K Ultra HD Smart Fire TV, an impressive model with superb picture quality and powerful features. The 65-inch OLED screen delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors, thanks to Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10 adaptive, which automatically adjusts the picture based on your room's lighting. The 144 Hz refresh rate makes it perfect for smooth motion, whether you're gaming or watching action-packed scenes. This Fire TV comes with hands-free Alexa integration, letting you control your TV with just your voice, while also providing easy access to thousands of apps and streaming services. The 4K Ultra HD resolution brings every detail to life, offering an exceptional viewing experience. With built-in Alexa, you can enjoy hand-free control, making it even more convenient for everyday use. For a combination of great visuals and smart features, the Panasonic Z95 is a solid choice. Taking the third spot is the Samsung S95D 65-inch HDR OLED Smart TV, a sleek and premium model that combines stunning visuals with advanced features. The OLED display offers vibrant colors and perfect blacks, delivering a breathtaking 4K HDR experience. With Quantum HDR OLED, you get enhanced brightness and contrast for a cinematic feel in any environment. The 144 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth, responsive gameplay for gamers, while Motion Accelerator Turbo makes fast action scenes look flawless. This smart TV is also equipped with Tizen OS, giving you seamless access to streaming services, apps, and games. Plus, the 1-year CPS Enhanced Protection Pack ensures your investment is covered, while the Premier Movie Streaming Package adds extra value with exclusive content. If you're looking for top-tier OLED performance, the S95D brings it all together with fantastic picture quality and premium features. At number 2, we have the Sony QD-OLED 65-inch BRAVIA XR A95L series, a powerhouse for both entertainment and gaming. The QD-OLED display offers incredible color accuracy and contrast, with Dolby Vision HDR enhancing every scene for vivid, lifelike visuals. The 4K Ultra HD resolution ensures sharp, detailed images that pop off the screen. Sony's Cognitive Processor XR optimizes picture and sound, adjusting to your content for an unparalleled experience. Exclusive gaming features for PlayStation 5, like Auto HDR tone mapping and 4K at 120 Hz, make this an excellent choice for gamers looking to elevate their experience. The Google TV interface gives you easy access to streaming services and apps, and the built-in Google Assistant adds voice control convenience. For an OLED TV with premium features and top-notch gaming capabilities, the Sony A95L is hard to beat. Taking the top spot is the LG 65-inch Class OLED Evo G4 Series Smart TV, the ultimate in OLED technology for 2024. The OLED Evo panel delivers stunning picture quality, with perfect blacks and vibrant colors. The 4K resolution paired with AI-powered processing enhances clarity and sharpness, bringing every detail to life. With Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10, you'll experience unmatched contrast, brightness, and color accuracy. This TV is perfect for gamers. With support for NVIDIA G-Sync and a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth, lag-free gameplay. The Magic Remote and Alexa integration provide convenient voice control, while WebOS gives access to a wide range of streaming services and apps. For superior picture quality, smart features, and gaming performance, the LG OLED Evo G4 is truly a standout choice for 2025. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best OLED TVs of 2025. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the models. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.